Problem number 1 for sensible cooling. An air conditioning unit cools an air stream for 2.5 kg per second from 32 Celsius of dry bulb and 0.012 kg per kilogram of humidity ratio to 22 Celsius of dry bulb. Find the sensible cooling capacity. So we have a formula of Q is equals to mass times H1 minus H2. So we just need to plug in our given values. For mass, we have 2.5 kg per second, and we have an enthalpy 1 of 66 and 57 of enthalpy. We can get this in our psychrometric chart. So we have a 22.5 kilowatt of sensible cooling capacity.